What's going on, everybody? It's your boy C-Zar with C-Zar Gets Crypto. We are talking about Bitcoin today, and on the 1 hour, we can see that Bitcoin is in a bit of trouble, but I don't think it's as bad as it looks. In fact, I think if you were trading this, if you were to trade this, like from like a day trading perspective, it'd be a good point to go long. Keep your stop losses tight. Maybe right at this low here. Maybe I might put my losses like a percent lower. It depends on the kind of leverage you're using, but even at 5x, this would be greater than a 5% but less than a 10% loss from current prices if you were to go long. Which for me, that's right in my risk appropriate zone. But the main thing is, I think this move is kind of fake. Just like how this move was fake, just like how this move was fake. I think this is just more of the same. And I do expect us to go back up, maybe around this purple line, not higher. And ultimately, we are going to go lower. But this is happening on a weekend. It is Saturday. I do expect that this move will probably recover. We'll wake up tomorrow and see the day close a lot higher. It's going to look bullish. Maybe by the end of the weekend, it'll look bullish. Maybe we go lower. I don't know. If this was to be a more convincing move to me, like something that I'm not thinking is fake, which right now I think it's fake. It's a higher low on by the way, right? Like it's a higher low on decreasing volume. I definitely think that this move is going to turn around, and probably go at least to this purple line, which is like 3.3% away. So if you use 5x leverage, that's like a 15% long, and I bet it happens by the end of today or tomorrow, like before the end of this weekend. So I'm not trading. That's not financial advice, but if I was trading, I would probably secure a nice 15% pump just from that. I did call this little drop from up here. I said that we'd probably drop around this range. I didn't think we'd drop this low into it, but having a higher low is definitely anticipated. And now that we're here, I think back up a little bit. We're moving sideways. We're ping-ponging it, and this looks exciting. It looks really exciting, but to be fair, it's not. It's 3.5%. It's 3.5%. That's really nothing at all. This big candle here, 5.8%. We've been moving sideways for so long, guys. We forgot what exciting candles were, and these aren't even that exciting. Bitcoin can do much bigger than 9% in a day, I promise you. But what I was trying to say earlier before I got sidetracked, what was it? Were we on the daily? Oh yeah. For me to be convinced that this move isn't fake and that it's in fact real, I would want to see a daily close below this area here, which is right around like $24,800 somewhere. If we get a daily close below 24,800, I would be convinced, even if this happened on the weekend, which isn't common. It's not common to have moves, like significant moves, take place over the weekend that are long lasting at least, but it happens. It's not. I mean, I'd say it's less common that it happens, but it's not rare. It does happen. Like let's see, like this big move here that took us to new highs. This happened on a Sunday. Literally Sunday and Saturday were the start of this move that took us all the way up here. So pretty significant, even though it started there. So it could be the start of something more significant. I don't think it is. I don't think, as of right now, looking at it, we have an hour left in this 4-hour candle, but it looks to me like we're having a higher low, decreasing volume spikes still. And we haven't really truthfully broken this range. I think we are showing bearish things. We are, maybe we close this 4-hour lower than this one. It's a higher low on a wick, but a lower low on a closing basis. But we come back up here and it looks bullish because we reverse this, but really it's just going to be a lower high. Every bullish thing that happens for Bitcoin right now is really just bearish. That's just a lower high there, right? This was just a lower high here, and we gave it back. Like none of this stuff, none of these bullish moves have been bullish at all. So until we actually get some moves that are bullish, I am definitely bearish. And we haven't had any real bear moves yet either. All this stuff, like I said, this isn't the exciting stuff, man. We're gonna get to the exciting stuff here real soon, one way or another. I do think that it's a good time to go long. If you wanted to take a quick little day trade over the weekend, you want to gain 15% probably. maybe we don't go all the way up to the purple line. Maybe we only go around here. Maybe 10%. But 2-digit gains for sure, percentage wise. Something like that. I wouldn't be surprised if we went to the purple line. But the more time that happens, this purple line looks like it wants to come down quicker. So, maybe it's not quite 15%, but definitely above 10%. Not financial advice, just an idea, and I wouldn't be surprised if it went there. If we measured this fib here from low to high, yeah, man, we right at the 1886. Bitcoin's been messing with the 1886 a lot lately. Wow, we showing nice respect on the 618 here. After the anchor point, holding the 0.5 there off the 236. Came back up to the 0.069, rejected it. Support, man, this is beautiful. It really is beautiful. I'm surprised. I'm not surprised because in the greater scheme of things, we're lower. But man, this is a big drop. I'm surprised that it took so long for it to happen. Like this was a like kind of like a 1, 2, 3, fourth time to break it. But yeah, here we go. I bet we turn up. So anyways, that's really all I got for you right now. I think it's going to be a kind of fake out of a weekend. I bet we open up on Monday and we're higher than we are now. Maybe even I mean, I don't know. I don't think that we're going to be up too much higher. I doubt that we break these highs here. Maybe we break these highs here, but I definitely wouldn't be surprised if we were higher than today's open for sure. By Monday. But I don't know if we were to break. Let's just see if we were to break these highs. I guess I don't know, man. I feel like this one stands out more, but this was a bullish. I don't know. I really don't know. I would say this high is the one that matters really, and it is the higher high. I don't know. This is a pretty significant level, even with all this. Okay, yeah. So if Bitcoin were to get above $27,500, then I would be more. That would be my more. This is a real bull move kind of scenario where I laid it out for the bear move here, below 24.8. Well, if we're above 27.5 on a closing basis, okay, real move. Until then, we're really just doing more of the same stuff that we've been doing since March. So, yeah, that might be all I got for you. As far as more exciting things go on a weekly time basis, we are getting a little cross right now, but I bet it's going to be given back before the week closes. It wouldn't surprise me if we close the week right around like 26K, just so that this is like right at the 50 and makes it just look like it's ready to bounce. And maybe it is, but I think we're gonna go lower. Okay. Let's see here. Breaking through the 236. I don't know, man. We might be destined for the 886 here, the way that Bitcoin's been acting with the 886 lately. Yeah, nothing really new at all, and I do expect that the weekend is going to be more or less exciting comparatively, to like most weekends for Bitcoin or most of the price action we've been experiencing. But it's really going to be boring. It's not going to do. We're going to probably end up right around this 2% area, not out of it, by Monday. So, yeah, it wouldn't surprise me if we woke up and we were about 2 or 3% higher, basically neutral for the day. And, if not by the morning time, then by the closing of the day. Yeah, I'm going to call it there. All right. Take it easy, everybody. Bye-bye for now.